Every time you add a new lead to the lead tracker, dashboard will automatically update it with the latest stats. Are tracking leads getting you down? Not a spreadsheet kind of person? Well, we are, and we've got just the template for you. Introducing Sapient Graph's ultimate lead tracker template for Google Sheets. Just make a copy and start tracking your leads now. Let's take a look at the templates. It has 4 sheets: an add lead page, the lead tracker, the lead sorter, and the pipeline dashboard. Find a new prospect, add them to the sales pipeline using a sheet called Add Lead. Type in their first name, last name, LinkedIn profile, and their contact information. Click Add Lead and the information will be transferred to a sheet called Lead Tracker. You can see all your leads and their status in a single sheet here. Well, what if you've only got a URL and no other information? No problem. Just hit Enrich and Sapient Graph will gather all the information that's publicly available. You will receive all the details about this person's location, role, company website, industry, and social media accounts. That, my friends, is convenience. You need more information? Just add a couple of columns and use some of Sapient Graph's other custom Google Sheet formulas available in the browser extension. Sign up now and get 100 free trial credits. Head on over to sapientgraph.com, follow the steps there, and install the Google Sheets add-on and the browser extension. After installing, open up a new sheet and follow along with a quick tutorial there and enable the extensions. Here, you can make notes to remind yourself of important tasks. How about that discovery call? Did you remember to email Mr. Gates about that brochure? Better get right on it. That is a lot of leads. Can't tell who's who now. No worries. There is a lead sorting page. See all your leads sorted into different stages in the lead sorting page. What about now? Wish you had a bird's eye view of all that? It's in the pipeline overview. Every time you add a new lead to the lead tracker, dashboard will automatically update it with the latest stats. Take a look here. It is your monthly goals. This shows how close you are to hitting it. Change up the months to see if you've hit your targets. Looks like you're all set for this month. Great job. And here is your annual target. You still have a couple of months left to achieve your goals for the year. Time to get hustling. Maybe it's time to focus on the biggest deals. These 3 people have the big budgets. Better keep a close eye on them. They could land you that sales commission. But what about the low-hanging fruits? These individuals here are the ones you've been talking to for the longest time. Maybe it's time to propose a deal. A gentle nudge might encourage them to sign. Now you might be wondering, what is all this? It represents all the number of leads you have in each stage of your pipeline and how much the deals are worth. The best thing about using this Google Sheets template is that the lead sorter and the pipeline overview updates automatically as you add more leads. Managing and tracking your leads is easy when you're using the Ultimate Lead Tracker template. It is the easiest way to organize your leads and to keep track of your pipeline. Great for freelance salespeople, business owners, and sales teams alike. And the best part, it is completely free. That is all for today. We'll update our blog post if we add more features, so keep yourself informed. You want more B2B tips and templates? Just like and subscribe. Give us a follow on X and TikTok. We'll see you there.